Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Friday, 20th February 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets declined on Thursday, snapping a three-day winning streak, as rising oil prices amid escalating tensions between the United States and Iran weighed on investor sentiment. The Dow Jones fell 0.5%, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq each slipped 0.3%, giving back some gains after the previous session's tech-led recovery. Asian markets opened mostly lower today, tracking overnight weakness in U.S. equities and rising geopolitical tensions that pushed oil prices higher and dampened risk appetite. Markets in Japan and Hong Kong traded with a negative bias, while indices in South Korea showed positive movement as investors awaited further clarity on global inflation and interest rate outlook. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 25,427, thereby indicating a flat opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil held near recent highs amid escalating geopolitical tensions and supply concerns, keeping energy markets supported. Gold prices remained firm near elevated levels due to continued safe haven demand and uncertainty around global interest rates. ABB India reported a mixed Q3 performance, with consolidated net profit declining 18% year-on-year to 432.85 crore rupees, even as revenue grew 5.7% to 3,557 crore rupees. The profit decline suggests margin pressures despite steady business growth. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance is in focus after an appellate authority upheld a tax demand of 984 crore rupees related to input tax credit reversal under GST for the period between July 2017 and July 2022. The development could have financial and sentiment implications for the stock. Pace Digitek has secured an advance letter of award worth 89 crore rupees from Railtel Corporation of India to deploy IP-based video surveillance systems in railway coaches. The order strengthens the company's order book and reinforces its position in the telecom and railway infrastructure segment. A mostly flat opening is expected for Nifty today. However, global cues seem negative, as oil prices have risen due to recent uptick in tensions in the Middle East region. This may lead the index to test supports at 25,370 followed by 25,215, while resistance in case of a change in market sentiment will be at 25,610, followed by 25,760. Rising crude oil prices, weak global cues, and cautious foreign investor sentiment could keep Indian markets volatile and under pressure. Strong domestic inflows, positive corporate triggers, and resilient economic fundamentals may help support markets and limit downside. Yesterday, FIIs were net sellers of about 880 crore rupees, while DIIs were also net sellers of around 596 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on February 20th, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.